friends, wonderful to see you. Welcome to Circle Time. I am Caroline from the Khan Academy Kids team, and I'm here today with my friend Sophie, and we are going to do some drawing. Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Caroline. Hi, friends. I am so excited to do some drawing with you today.
Yes, and first we will start with a show and tell. One of our friends has drawn some of our characters, so let me pull it up. And friends, this is what Connor sent to us. He had so much fun drawing our characters. Can you see which characters he drew?
Whoa, I think that he drew all of our characters at least once. Oh, maybe not all of, but there are Kodi, so that is the bear with the pink ears. And then we have two Reyes. That is in the middle of the top picture. And a very great looking Peck who's kind of looking out the side of his eyes off to the side at the top there. And then maybe Sandy down below. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Yes, both of his pictures of Peck have a long beak.
That's because Peck is a bird who has a long beak.
He does. And today we are going to draw some of Peck's favorite things, robots. Friends, do you know what robots are?
Yes, we do. I'm just listening to our friends around the circle, and they say robots are computer-powered gadgets, I guess is one word I'm hearing. And sometimes they can walk and talk, and they often look very boxy and computerized, and they're very, very smart. I don't think that robots are real people like you and me, Caroline. Usually they've been made out of computers, and programmers have put them together. Is that right?
I think so. And sometimes they have lights and they make some sounds, like some beeping sounds. Might be made out of metal or plastic. Well, friends, we are going to draw some different robots today. Kodi is going to show us how to draw some of Peck's robots.
Hi, everyone. Do you have any fun things you like to collect? My friend Peck has so many neat collections. One of my favorites is his robot collection. Today, I'm going to draw a couple of his robot toys. You can follow along with me. The first robot is going to be super fun to draw because it has a lot of rectangles. Let's start with the head. First, we will draw a rectangle at the top like this. Then, on the inside of the rectangle, we can draw the face. Draw a circle for the first eye. Draw another circle on the inside and color it. You can do the same thing on the other side for the second eye. This robot has a silly smile. Draw a curved jelly bean shape for the mouth and add two lines on the inside from top to bottom like this. Now it looks like it has robot teeth. Let's move on to some other cool things on the robot's head. On the top of the head, draw another rectangular shape. This is a shiny light. This robot needs some antennae. On the left side, draw a half circle and then a straight horizontal line coming out of it. On the end of that line, draw a tiny circle. The antenna on this side is done. Now we just do the same thing on the other side. Beep, boop, beep. That's me speaking robot. Can you speak robot? The head is done. Great job! Let's start drawing the body. Draw two short lines coming out from the bottom of its head. This is the neck. This next part is another fun way to use a rectangle for the robot's body. Draw the rectangle at the bottom of the neck like this. The arms and hands are next. Since this robot has two long noodle arms, I'm going to draw 2 long curved lines coming out of the body, then 2 lines between them. This makes the arms look like they were put together using separate pieces. At the end of the arm, I'll draw 2 half circles like this, a larger one and a smaller one below. Then I can connect them with 2 lines. This is the hand. It looks pretty different from mine. Does it look like yours? This arm is complete, which means we can do the same thing on the other side, so there are 2 arms. The legs will attach to the bottom of the rectangle body. Draw the first leg with 2 straight vertical lines like this, and then another rectangle for the foot. Don't forget to draw 2 small lines on the inside of the leg like we did with the arms. I'll do the same thing on the other side to make 2 legs. The lines for this robot are almost done. I want to add one more thing to make it even more fun. A star on the chest. You can draw a star too, or whatever shape you want. A star shape can be tricky to draw, so try your best. A star has 5 points, so I like to think of it as 5-letter V's holding hands. Check it out. Now you have a star. It's time to color this robot. I'm going to use gray, red, yellow, blue, orange, and purple. What colors are you using? You can use the same colors as me or choose your own. I'm going to color the head, body, and hands gray. The light on its head and star on its chest will be yellow. The eyes will also be yellow because they light up. This robot has fancy red feet and antennae to match. I will color one arm blue and the other arm orange. Then the opposite leg orange and the other blue. A splash of purple for the neck, and we're done! Wow, this looks just like Peck's robot. Let's do another one. Start with the large half circle for the head and connect the ends with a straight line. From the corners of the head, draw 2 lines that come down at an angle like this. The face will go inside of the half circle. Draw 2 circles for the eyes and 2 smaller circles inside each one. Color in the smaller circles. Now draw another half circle like this for the happy smile and color it in. This is a very cheerful robot. On the left side of the head, draw a straight line going up and add a small circle on the top. We are drawing more antennae. Draw another one on the right side of the head. I wonder if this robot gets signals from outer space. Here comes another rectangle. Draw this one below the lines at the bottom of the head. On the side of its body, draw 2 lines for the arms and a rectangle for the hand. Do this again on the other side. This robot has no fingers. It must have magnets for hands. On the body, draw a thinner rectangle with 2 circles next to it. These are the robot's gizmos and lights. For the legs, draw 2 lines down from the body and close the ends like this. At the bottom of the legs, draw a half circle connected by a straight line to make the foot. Now do this again on the other side for the second leg. Nice! I wonder how many rectangles we've drawn so far today. Can you count them? It's coloring time again. I'm going to use light green and dark green for most of this robot. And a little bit of blue, orange, and yellow for the gizmos. I just noticed this robot kind of looks like a flashlight. Isn't that funny? Did you decide to use the same colors as me? Or are you using some different colors? The second robot is done. How did yours turn out? I think Peck would love all the robots we drew today. You should do a dance to celebrate. Let's do the robot. Thanks for drawing with me today. Beep, beep, boop. That means see you later in robot. Bye.
That was a lot of fun to learn how to draw robots. Friends, did you have a good time?
Yeah, we loved drawing Peck's robots. That was great.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I was just wondering, does Peck have any other toys, Caroline?
Oh, Peck really likes toys, so he has lots of different toys, and he likes to count his toys. Let me pull up a video, and you can see his toys and a robot too. Maybe you can spot the robot.
Whoa! Look at all my toys! Let's count them together. And the last number you say is the number of toys I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wow-wee! 10 is a big number.
Peck is very excited about his toys and counting to 10.
Wow. Yeah, I don't know what's more exciting, being able to count to 10 or having that many different toys to play with. Peck is very lucky, isn't he?
He is. But I think his robot might be one of his favorites.
So do you think our friends at home could count some of their toys or other things that they have around the house and put them in a line like that?
And maybe you could even draw them.
Oh yeah, we'd love to see you draw your toy shelf or toy box, and you can send it in for show and tell if you like.
We can show it next time. Well, wonderful to see all of you. Thank you for joining us from your homes. And we will see you next time. Goodbye for now from Caroline, Sophie, and the Khan Academy Kids team. Bye-bye.
Bye, friends.